How to set up an iPhone for the first time. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set up an iPhone for the first time. So, first of all, simply open your iPhone and then a hello message will appear where you'll have to simply swipe up. After that, simply select your language over here. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to first of all select your country or region. So, once you've done that, it'll start setting up languages. Now once you've done that, you can either bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign up and set up. But if you don't, you can simply set it up manually. Now once you've done that, if you want, you can change the written and spoken languages. But if you don't, you can simply tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to choose a Wi-Fi network. So simply connect to Wi-Fi. Now once you've set up a Wi-Fi, it will take you to the next page, where it will say it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So simply be patient and wait for it to complete. Now once you've done that, tap on the option continue. After that, if you want, you can set up your Face ID, but if you don't, you can simply set it up later by tapping the option set up later. After that, create a new passcode for your iPhone. So let me do that real quick. Now once you've done that, you'll have to re-enter it in this page and then wait for it to load up. After that, you will be taken to the apps and data page, where if you want, you can restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android, or don't transfer apps and data. So for now, we'll simply not transfer apps and data and simply want to set up new one. Now you'll have to enter your Apple ID if you have one. But if you don't, you'll have to tap on the option forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. After that, tap on the option create a free Apple ID. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your first name, your last name, date of birth. So let me do that real quick. After that, it'll provide you an email address. So if you want, you can keep this as it is, but if you want, you can also make changes to it and then tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to tap on the option create email address. And now you'll have to create a new password for your Apple ID. So let me enter that real quick. And now you'll have to add a phone number. So simply enter your phone number over here, and then if you want, you can verify using text message, but if you want, you can also verify using phone call. So for now, I'll simply choose text message and then tap on the option continue. After that, it will send a 6-digit verification code to my phone number. So simply enter the code over here. Now currently, as I have my phone number in this device, as you can see, the code has just arrived over here. So simply enter the code on this new iPhone. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to another page where you'll have to scroll down and then tap on the option agree. And now it will update iCloud settings. So wait for it to update completely. And now tap on the option continue. And now if you want, you can enable location services. But if you don't, simply tap on the option disable location services and then tap on the option OK. And now if you want, you can set up cellular. But if you don't, you can simply set up later in the settings. So simply tap on the option skip, and the same for iCloud keychain as well. Now you can set up all of these things later in the settings. So simply skip all of these process and now choose your appearance, your display zoom, and there you have it. So that is basically how you set up a new iPhone or set up your iPhone for the first time. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.